Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to another day. Sorry it's been so long, but I've just been busy, so that's my only excuse. I'm sorry, and I'm a rubbish friend. Today's just a quick video. I just thought I'd update you guys. Today we're in the Mazda, and we're getting it welded. So let's get it welded and talk about some more things that are happening with the car. Get started. So your first question is probably going to be, what's new with the MX-5? And to be honest, not much right now. We're going to go get the rust from the wheel arch on the driver's side sorted on the rear wheel, because that has got a massive hole in it. So that's what's happening at the moment. And at home I have all new PowerFlex bushes, which as probably most of you know, they are like the best bushes to buy. So they're going in some wishbones, and I've got a brand new subframe at home as well to go on the car. That's because in December I had an accident and messed up the whole front end alignment, and something is bent. Just arrived, so now we just got to get this on the ramp and get it welded. Let's go. That took way longer than we thought. There was just so much rust that we didn't expect, or did expect but didn't counter into. Now it's like 4 o'clock, the day's nearly ended. I've still got to go look at something and get home, pack. Doesn't look so bad. This is the worst thing about having two cars, all the parts. And now I need somewhere to put this because I'm filming tomorrow and I have a ton of stuff to put in my car. Problem is when you are also a project car guy and a film guy. Need this. This is a new car camera mount. GoPros. Sound, lighting, and something else. Bits that don't fit. All that's left now is my camera bag, and that's it. Cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more MX-5 stuff, or camera reviews, or gimbal stuff. I'll probably be doing more of that stuff later. I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Just joking. I'm not going to leave the camera. Stupid.